are you? I'm fine, thank you. We're going to say the date. Today is Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday. Today is Wednesday 6. This year is called 2020. Great. Today we are going to see the 3 moments of the day that we eat. Remember? Morning, afternoon, evening. In the morning we eat breakfast. In the afternoon we eat lunch. And in the evening we eat dinner. We are going to see those 3 moments. Grab your mini book called Let's Eat Healthy. It's mini, but it looks a little bit like this. We are going to identify the meals of the day and the types of food. Really, what is healthy and what is junk. We're going to see those too. We'll now hear the story.
Let's eat healthy.
My name is Stacy, and I'm here to say I love vegetables. I eat them every day. I drink carrot juice for breakfast. I eat broccoli for lunch. I eat peas for dinner. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Mmm, delicious. My name is Harry, and I'm here to say I love fresh fruit. I eat it every day. I eat papaya for breakfast. I eat apples for lunch. I eat melon for dinner. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Mmm, delicious. My name is Carrie, and I'm here to say I love healthy food. I eat it every day. I eat oatmeal for breakfast. I eat yogurt for lunch. I eat fish for dinner. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Mmm, delicious.
My name is Tom, and I'm here to say I love junk food. I eat it every day. I eat cookies for breakfast. I eat French fries for lunch. I eat pizza for dinner. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Mmm, delicious.
Come on, friends, let's go out and play, said Stacy. But I don't want to go out today, said Tom. My tummy hurts, and I'm too tired to play. What can I do? Eating junk food isn't good for you. Eating healthy food is the right thing to do. Healthy food gives us energy. It helps us grow bigger and get stronger every day, said Tom's friends. So Tom starts eating healthy food each day. I eat fruit for breakfast. I eat vegetables for lunch, said Tom. I eat healthy food for dinner. Crunch, crunch, crunch. I feel great, and I love to play. I'm getting stronger every day.
Did you like the story? The story is about the importance of eat healthy, okay? Find your book, color yellow, and find the page 125. It looks like this. We have the We have some characters of the story in 3 moments of the day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We are going to remember the things in the story. We are going to start. She is Stacy. What does Stacy have for breakfast? She had carrot juice for breakfast. It's here. Remember? We are going to draw here. For lunch, what does Stacy have for lunch? Remember? Stacy for lunch had broccoli. I'm going to draw it here. And for dinner, what does Stacy had for dinner? She eats peas for dinner. Yes. This character is Harry. What Harry had for breakfast? Papaya. Papaya for breakfast. Yes. We're going to draw here. What does Harry have for lunch? He had apples. Yes, that's correct. He had apples. We're going to draw it here. And for dinner, what does Harry have? Melon. Yes, Harry for dinner had melon. He's a really healthy monster. He only eats fruits. Okay, last character. Carrie. We have here Carrie. What does Carrie have for breakfast? She had oatmeal. We haven't seen that word yet, but now we know it. Oatmeal. I'm going to draw it here. What Carrie had for lunch? She had yogurt for lunch. Excellent. We're going to draw it here. Now, for dinner, what does Carrie have? Had fish for dinner. Okay, go. Finish this page, and I'm going to wait right here for you. Finished? Excellent. This is everything for today. We are going to see each other tomorrow. Let's say goodbye. We are going to count now till 5. Sing with me. The ants go marching one by one. Ants go marching one by one. The ants go marching one by one. The little one stops to show his thumbs, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching 2 by 2. The ants go marching 2 by 2. The ants go marching 2 by 2. The little one stops to toe his shoe, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching 3 by 3. The ants go marching 3 by 3. The ants go marching 3 by 3. The little one stops to saw a tree, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching 4 by 4. The ants go marching 4 by 4. The ants go marching 4 by 4. The little one stops, knock the door, and they all go marching down the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching 5 by 5. The ants go marching 5 by 5. The ants go marching 5 by 5. The little one stops to take a dive, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. See you later, alligator.